This is the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I'm Bill, and this is the Murderino. This is a cocktail that was named from the podcast My Favorite Murder. The host of the podcast affectionately referred to their listeners as Murderinos. That's all I've got about the history of this cocktail, so grab a seat at the bar. We got a few simple ingredients, and let's get pouring. We're going to make this cocktail in a shaker. And as you see, I've got a couple of simple ingredients here. We've got some elderflower liqueur. We've got some Aperol. We've got some Blanco tequila. We've got some fresh juices, a little bit of simple syrup to sweeten it up. And those are all going in the shaker. I'm going to start with my freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to use 1 ounce. We're using fresh because you know it. Fresh is best. I'm going to follow that up with simple syrup. Equal parts sugar and water, 1/2 ounce. Now we're getting to the good stuff in the shaker. Elderflower liqueur. This stuff always elevates the taste of a cocktail. It's got a bright floral taste to it. 3/4 ounce. We're going to follow that up with the aperitif Aperol. It's a bitter, it's orange, it's delicious. It's one of Kim's favorites. 1 ounce. It's also going to give us a color in this one. Our last ingredient going in that shaker is Blanco tequila, Milagro, one of our favorites. We are going to use 1.5 ounces. Everything's in there. Well, got to put some ice in there, so let ice this up and chill it down. Lots of ice in there. That's going to keep it nice and cool without diluting it a whole lot. And let's shake it. A good 10-second shake is all you're going to need. And I think that's about it. Now what we're going to do is in our glass, we're using 1 large ice cube in there. And we're going to double strain that. We've got some fresh juice in there. We want to keep the pulp out. We're going to pour that over the cube. That's going to chill it down. It's going to keep it cold. Look at the color on that one. We got the pulp out of the way. Now all we need to do is garnish. And for that, we're going to use an orange peel. And that is going to enhance those orange notes that are in the Aperol. So let's just cut a little swatch over there. I'm going to just give it a little squeeze on top. Get those oils on the top of it, run that around the glass. And there is today's cocktail, the Murderino. Let's give it a taste. That is bright. The bitterness that you'd normally find with the Aperol in there has been really knocked down with the combination of the tequila and with the St. Germain's elderflower liqueur in there. This one is going to be a great sipper for you. We'll see you at the next cocktail.